How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can get the snow effect in Geometry Dash. Now, this is going to be extremely simple, so let's jump straight into it. First things first, you want to head over to this category, and we're looking for the particle trigger, which is going to be the first one. So you just want to place this onto your level, and then you simply want to rotate it downwards, so it will actually pour the effect onto the level right here. Click Edit Special, and then you have to play around with this setting. Of course, you can extend the post var X, the gravity, and more if you want to add some effect. And then for speed, let's go ahead and increase a little bit. And then let's also add some emission. Now, after customizing your particles the way you want to, we can then hit on the play level button, and then we will get this effect right here. Once again, you can just keep adding this if you want. Click copy and paste, and then you can keep adding the effect until you achieved your desired look. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.